Yes.
Oh my goodness. What's up, guys? In today's video, I'm going to be doing the long-awaited, most requested video, my room tour. I'm finally like finished, I think. Only thing I want to do is like hang this mirror, but I need like heavy hooks for that. But yeah, I'm standing at my door. Over here is my beam. This is my like light thing. I love it. I'll show you guys what like all the lights do, because they like change colors and stuff like after I go through everything. I just put this here because it like goes with the door. And then here I have a picture of me and Teeny from Amanda Steele's clothing line event. And then here I have a little Buddha that holds my wallet and my keys so I never lose them ever again. And then here I have a mirror that Mario gave me. It's kind of distorted up here.
Well, maybe he's hanging it up. But
Mario's filming, by the way.
Maybe you need to hang it up.
And then moving this way, I have my Ikea dresser that I've had for literally like 4 years. And then inside I just have like little crop tops. And then in here I have like big t-shirts, stuff I need to wear, dresses, and like bodysuits. It's not like perfectly organized, but like it's better than like, you know, things just shoved in here. Here I have like black pants and like pleather, like PVC pants. In here, I have like workout leggings, jeans, like workout tops, and then shorts. And then in here I have like fun pants, like printed stuff. In here I just have like sweatpants and stuff. On my dresser, I have like a bowl of like miscellaneous stuff. And then like some more pictures from like that event and stuff, and like old Polaroids. And then on this little hand, I mean, one of my vlogs I spray painted this hand because it was like wood. I spray painted it silver. And then I just hang all my jewelry off of it and like make it do this. And then this is like my Google Wi-Fi extender. Makes my like Wi-Fi go really fast. And then here is my lamp that I got from Home Goods. This also has a LifeX bulb in it, which is a color changing bulb. And then here I have my Sonos speaker. It's like the best speaker in the world. I love it so much. It like gives like great sound. And then here I have my Buddha head that I've had for like literally so long. I got it in Utah actually. And then here I have just like a bamboo plant that I have to like water frequently and be an adult. And then here, this is No Face from Spirited Away. Spirited Away is my favorite movie, and he's like my favorite character in the movie. He's just iconic, and it's a little piggy bank. And then this skull I got from Pottery Barn. I put like lights in it before. And then above my dresser I have these little koi fish. I love koi fish. I have one tattooed on me actually. And I got these in Chinatown in Vegas. And then moving to this itty bitty corner right here, I have my coffee maker. Like
which you never use.
Yeah, my espresso machine, which I never use. I like have been in like a regular coffee wave right now, so I haven't been using this that much, and like having to like go take this all the way to the kitchen is like kind of annoying. And then I have my Google Assistant that like I make play rain sounds when I sleep because I cannot sleep. Then I have my triple sec candle. If you guys have ever smelled triple sec from Dry Bar, it is literally the best smelling smell ever. It's like this vanilla-y smell. It's actually something you spray in your hair, but they made it into a candle because the smell is so good. And then I have my little like incense thing right there. And then my TV remote that my dog chewed. And then in these drawers is just random that I have nowhere to like put, like my espresso. And then here is kind of like the tech drawer slash like my birth control. And then down there is like travel stuff. In this corner, I have another LifeX bulb hanging from like a thing that I got from Ikea. And that also changes colors. And then here I have a painting of Tupac that my dad's friend painted. I think it's like so dope. My nightstand, which like has, the reason I bought this is because it has like plugs and USBs in the actual nightstand. And I just put my little Buddha on top of it from Home Goods. A lot of like my decorations I get from Home Goods or Ikea. And I got this cup from Home Goods, which is like my favorite cup ever. Then just my portable charger. Then this is my bed. This is where all the magic happens. And then this blanket I got from Home Goods. This blanket I got from Lovesac. Then over here I have like my little mini fridge that has like, oh my god. It's something exploded. Amazing. I just have like bangs in here and like buy drinks and yeah, that's it. Then I have some like chopsticks and party coasters. And then my vanity, I have another LifeX bulb here and a lamp that I got from Home Goods. And then here I have this little cup skull thing from Michael's, and it comes with like glow in the dark little rocks in it, and this thing glows in the dark too, so like when I turn my lights off it like glows. I just keep my brushes in there. And then this is mirrors from Ikea. This is a tile. It also does like crazy color changing stuff. LifeX also sent me this. Yeah, I love it. It just adds like a cool element to my room. All these lights do. Like having the lights like this I don't really like. I like having my lights, you know, it sets the mood. And then in here I just keep like my makeup. And then over here I have another nightstand, but this one is from Ikea. It's like a little C table. And then I got this like glass vase thing, and then I was like, I want to fill it with rocks and put a candle in there. So like I think it adds like a cool element. I always have a candle burning and like I always want my room to smell good. So I'm like obsessed with candles. Then I got this Buddha from Home Goods. And then I have just like a little oil diffuser. And then this little rug thing is from Ikea as well. And then right here, I have a window that has no fucking view. So I usually just keep that closed. And then over here, I just have like little picture frames full of like cool pictures. Yeah, I didn't want them to be like perfectly even, so I just kind of like staggered them everywhere. And then here we have my closet. And here I just keep my shoes. There's no particular order, I guess. Here I keep my bags. Like hung on these little hooks from Ikea. And then here is just like kind of like toilet paper and my Tide Pods. And then like my laundry. And then over here I keep my clothes. This used to be organized, like by color, by type of shirt, but I just come in here and I like rummage through everything and I just have no time to like keep reorganizing it. So like this is how it looks, and I honestly still know where everything is, so like it may look chaotic, but it's fine. And then down here I just have like bigger stuff, and I keep my hats here. And then in here I have these little cubbies from Target that I just keep like underwear. I have a junk drawer, like socks. And that's kind of like how I organize, like that's loose stuff. And then we have my bathroom. Oh, actually down here I have this rug that I got from Costco, and it's like the softest rug. Like Amari came in here and he's like, I could sleep on this rug, like that's how soft it is. And then I have my TV. This is an LG 65-inch, I think. Funny thing about this is before I moved into this house, I had this in my living room. This wall, I wanted to put it like in front of my bed, and like this wall is literally the exact same size as my TV. That's why it like looks insane on this wall. And then I got this little like wire cover thing from Ikea. And then here's my bathroom, which makes a fan noise when you turn on the light, which I hate. And then in here, I got this soap dispenser from Target. This is my Sonic toothbrush, and then I have another Google Assistant sitting here for when I shower. And then this is the KKW perfume that Tana got me. And then this is a little Chanel perfume that's my favorite that Mari got me for Christmas. And then I got this little succulent from Home Goods. And then in these drawers, I just kind of like hair stuff, deodorant, Q-tips, cotton swabs, skincare in this one, eye care in this one because I wear contacts, and like teeth whitening stuff. And then in this one I keep like random products that I need to like sort try still. And these are all my hair products, like hair tools. And this is like, you know, tampons, hair products, lotion. And then underneath here I just have like these little storage bins because these drawers aren't very spacious. And then over here I have towels. This towel rack Mario gave me. He's like, does anyone want this? And I was like, yes, me. And then I have yellow towels right now because I'm like obsessed with yellow right now. I have no idea why. Like my nails are yellow. I have this Buddha from Home Goods. Towels. These towels are also from Home Goods. This robe is from H&M. And then here's my shower. This has like been my favorite shower that I've ever had in like any house because it has like a rain head, and then it has like a bathtub, but the jets don't work, and I was really sad about it. And then over there I have my products like shampoo, body wash, stuff like that. Now I'm gonna show you guys what my room looks like with the colors changed. Also a huge thank you to LifeX for sending me all these lights and tiles and beams and whatever. I already had 2 of these bulbs and I reached out to them and they sent me more, so that was awesome. They're available like all Best Buys and like online. I'll link their website down below. Yeah, this is what my room looks like, basically all like lit up the way I like it. It's hard to like pick this up on camera, but the lights you can like select and literally paint on the app what you want it to look like, and you can make it move, and it's like really cool. And then here's the tile. It does this really cool thing where it changes and like morphs and like does like crazy stuff. It's so cool.